Wow, that's what you're going to say when you see this kid's work. 12-year-old Evan Hoing has only been in business a few months, but you'd never know it. His wooden pins, toys, and bowls are so amazing. Our governor, Jared Polis, is even a fan. Evan will be selling his products, which make excellent gifts at Youth Biz Marketplace this weekend, and he already knows how to work the camera. He's like, hey, everybody, how are you? How you doing, pal?
I'm doing pretty good. You?
I'm excellent. I'm happy you're sitting next to me. You are incredibly talented. Tell me about your business.
Well, I make all kinds of things. I make like tops, I make pens, I make bowls, vases, wine stoppers, wine glasses.
Wow, you make wine glasses too?
Yeah, I didn't bring any of those. I only have a few of those.
I'll have to check out your website. Do you have a website?
I do not have a website, though I do have an Instagram page.
Ooh, what is it?
At Lathe Master Evan.
I'm going to follow it right now. Okay, so I'll follow it right now as I'm looking at it. You tell me a little bit about how you got into woodworking.
Well, I got into woodworking from YouTube. So in 2017, I got a lathe for Christmas, and with the assistance of YouTube videos, I taught myself how to use it. I watched and still watch turners like Carl Jacobson, Peter Brown, Nick Zametti, Rod Humphrey, and many others.
Wow, my goodness.
It even motivated me to start my own channel.
Really? What's
Yeah.
your YouTube channel?
It's just called Evan Hoing, EvanHoing. I have 34 subscribers, but I would certainly love more.
You have 34 subscribers?
Yeah.
We're going to get more for you, so make sure you log on to YouTube and follow him, Evan Hoing, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Evan Hoing.
Evan Hoing, that's Hoing. So talk about what you brought here today, some of the cool items.
Well, I think my favorite thing that I brought here today is this. This is box elderpearl. This isn't dyed. This is the natural color of the wood.
Where'd you find that wood?
Well,
That's
we actually
beautiful.
got it at a store called CS Hardwoods because you normally don't find like
Hold
things.
it still, right there. Hold it. Don't move it because we're getting a good camera shot. It's beautiful. How long did it take you to make?
Well, I would say this one probably took about 2 hours, specifically this one.
What? 2 hours? I was thinking like 200 days. That is cool. And do you come up with your own designs?
Yeah. Sometimes I base whatever I make off of designs I find on YouTube, but yeah.
And I think these are really, really cool too. These are wine stoppers, right? You put them on a bottle of wine. How do I get it out? Oh, I guess they're stuck in there. How cool are these?
That one is brown mallee burl.
Oh, it's beautiful. And the pens, I should point out, Jason M. Rudy, the home loan arranger, bought one of your pens. He was so impressed.
Yeah, so it was a box elderpearl pen. It was a fire box elderpearl pen.
Yeah.
It was the same wood as this one.
It's gorgeous. I'm sure there's a lot of business men and women out there that are going to be interested in contacting you. Talk about the Youth Biz Marketplace. You actually had a hand in a bill that was just recently passed.
I did. So at the first marketplace I went to, that was in December, I met Senator Angela Williams. And that gave me the opportunity to be part of getting the bill legalizing minors' businesses passed.
Very nice. Up top, Evan rocks.
Thank you.
What motivated you to start your own business?
Well, YouTube. I just saw turners like Carl Jacobson, Peter Brown, Rod Humphrey, and Nick Zametti, many others on YouTube, and I decided that I wanted a lathe because that looked really cool.
So what's the most challenging part about being a business owner? Because you're still, how old are you? You're 12?
12.
So you're still in school, right?
See.
Yeah.
I
See,
am.
did you see? Was that yes in Spanish?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, he is so smart. I was like, see, what? So you're bilingual, are you? You're kind of a cool cat, aren't
Well,
you?
I'm not bilingual yet.
Oh, but you're getting there.
I'm gonna be bilingual.
Hey.
I will be.
Do you think that'll impress the ladies?
Probably.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Okay, he's gonna get there. Evan Hoing has his own YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe today. Talk about the best part of owning your own business.
Well, I would say the best part about owning my business, well, the money part is great, right? But I would say my favorite part is the look on people's faces when they realize it's me that makes the pens or the bowls or the bottle stoppers that they're admiring.
Yeah, they're absolutely beautiful. You're very, very talented. Why would you encourage someone to come to the youth marketplace? Why should they show up?
Well, I believe you should show up to the Youth Biz Marketplace because it supports my business, and the more support I get, the better products I can make. Plus, it's really fun to see what other youth can make and sell.
Yeah.
So, swing on by to the Youth Biz Marketplace on Saturday at 10.
You are simply adorable. You just are. He's so cool. Thank you very, very much. Pound it. I'm kind of a nerd, aren't I?
Yeah.
Kind of. All right. Take a minute and follow Evan's Instagram page. His products are really great, and he'd love your help spreading the word. Search for @Lathe Master Evan. That's Lathe Master Evan. Plus, support Evan and find more unique products created by youth entrepreneurs at the Youth Biz Marketplace. Shop Friday, 10 to 2 at Youth American Center for Financial Education in Cherry Creek. Now, gifts for moms, dads, grads, and more. Visit yacenter.org for more information. And make sure you follow his YouTube channel too, Evan Hoing.